Sir, it's a really nice experience, sir. Because before coming to this internship, I learned something a little bit about Arduino, sir. But I never even made a LED light. Only as I remember only checked only a LED blink program only in Arduino, sir. After buying the Arduino, I checked only this. I never did such a large program like this, large work like this, sir. And also it looked like something useful thing. What can I say that? Yeah, something useful done from what I learned, sir. That's really amazing, sir.
Okay,
Thank.
program.
No, sir. I think training materials are very well, sir, and no doubts.